Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss how you can download and install the Neuronirvaman Expert Advisor. For this project I have chosen to use the Parallels software. If you would like to use the Parallels software, you may download it by going to this website. After you have downloaded Parallels, you will need to download and install the Forex trading platform and the EForT terminal. You may do so by going to this website. Here's a website, and you will click download for Windows. After you've done the first two, then you have to download SourceTree. In order to download SourceTree, you'll have to search this, you'll have to go to this address, but you will have to do so inside of your VM, which is running Windows. And you will be able to see this website. You'll click download for Windows. The next thing to discuss is Bitbucket. Bitbucket will be included with your Jira subscription, which will be part of the course. This is what Bitbucket looks like. Once we're here, we're going to click on Projects. This is a project we're interested in, EForT. We're going to click on EForT data folder. We click on Clone. Click on Clone in SourceTree. Click Allow. Once we're in SourceTree, this is a directory we'd like to clone. I have a directory on my desktop where I'm gonna clone the directory, and then you will click on clone. Once we clone the repository to our local directory, we're going to move the original file to the trash. Then we're going to go to SourceTree. We're going to click here on Remotes, Origin, double click on Neuronirvaman EA. We're going to click OK, and this will make the MQL4 file reappear, but this time it will have the information that we're interested in. After you've cloned the repository, you will open your Forex trading platform. You'll go to File, you'll open the data folder, and the folder where you have cloned the repository, and you simply drag this file onto our thing, and we're going to replace the files in the destination. Once we've done that, you click on MP4, and here should be the repository that we cloned. Then we can go back to our Forex trading platform. If we click on Expert Advisors, EForT, we should see Neuronirvaman is now installed here. If we click on Indicators and we click on EForT, Neuronirvaman, we should see these are the indicators used by the Neuronirvaman EA. So we'll need those in order to run the algorithm as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching.